So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the confirmation that we've been waiting since days, weeks, months is finally there. I mean, the price of Bitcoin has finally managed to close above this 30-week moving average, close above 200-week moving average, which in the past price action acted as a line of resistance. And now, since we are also above 30,000, what to expect next? Will this trend continue even higher, price forming higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, or will there be another retracement liquidating the over leveraged longs, and only after the starting with an actual impulsiveness? In this video, I am going to share with you all of the possibility what could be unfolding in the medium short term in the upcoming days. So before I do that, please do me a favor and destroy the like button. And if you want to support me even further, a comment is always appreciated. Thank you very much. And now, if we look at this price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame using this ideal buy for investor from Stan Weinstein, you can see very clearly, guys, the price of Bitcoin has not just only broken the resistance from this horizontal trend line, but we have also managed to retest it twice. I mean, the price of Bitcoin got attracted towards 25,000. The line which previously acted as resistance acted as a line of support. And right now, if we look at this weekly candle is not just only above this horizontal trend line, but it's also above 30-week moving average. And you can see, guys, price finding support above this horizontal trend line, price above 30-week moving average usually indicates the upcoming days might be favoring the longs, not just only because of this ideal buy for investor from Stan Weinstein, but even if we look at this 200 weekly moving average, 30 weekly moving average, because whenever the price of Bitcoin has found proper support above these trend lines or moving averages, what has happened before, you can see the price of Bitcoin after that has started with a new impulsive movement. And right now, if we look at this weekly moving averages, if we look at this RSI, even the RSI is above 50, which is a very good sign. If we look at this MACD, this is a bullish MACD cross in a weekly time frame, and T3CCI is also appearing in a positive territory, which is a very, very good sign. Yes, guys, these indicators are also clearly indicating the upcoming days for Bitcoin could be very bullish. And even if we do see some sort of a weakness, please do not panic, because as long as the weekly candle remain above this moving averages, which is above 28,000, any sort of a shakeout will be looked as a temporary shakeout before price again starts showing another movement here like this. Yes, this falling wedge pattern is also clearly indicating us the price of Bitcoin looks like heading towards to break the previous high, right? And if we do see some shakeout on our way, please do not panic, because we have some strong line of support lying for Bitcoin above 28,000 range. Because you know, guys, it's not just only this falling wedge pattern. We have also been talking about this bump and run reversal pattern. After breaking out from this lead in bearish trend line, the price of Bitcoin is clearly showing strength, and now this is also clearly indicating us the upcoming days for Bitcoin looks super bullish. So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that even if the price gets exhausted, right, after reaching the previous high and start showing weakness, I mean price failing to continue here to the upside and start showing weakness like this, we still have strong line of support lying above 28,000 for Bitcoin. So as long as we remain above 28,000, we are not bothered, even if the price in the medium short term shows shakeout. And now, beside this bump and run reversal pattern, even if you look at this descending broadening wedge, even this descending broadening wedge scenario is playing out perfectly, and the price in our case also looks like heading towards to break the previous high structure. But I want you guys to be a bit careful. Why? Because if you look at the price structure here in a weekly time frame, this line here in a weekly time frame was looked as a line of support. This is exactly where we got attracted. This is exactly where the price is finding resistance. So in the medium short term, if we do see price consolidating around this area, let it be. There is no need to panic. I mean, even if the price shows another move like this, as long as we remain over 28,000, right, there is nothing to worry, because this might be our first attempt to break out of this 31,000 or the previous high. And if we do fail, we might consolidate around this range for a while and finally break out from this rising trend line, because once we break the previous high, then this will be looked as a free run. I mean, the price of Bitcoin will be heading towards 35,000 and even up to 40,000 range. Yes, once we overcome this resistance around 31,000, the upcoming days for Bitcoin will be super bullish, and even 35 to 40,000 price target will be on the line. And now let me show you with another example why price after reaching around this 30,700, 30,500 might be exhausted, because this here was the best case target according to the October CPI month. If you have been following me for a while, guys, this indicator has turned out to be perfect so far. I mean, this indicator indicated us, hey, before we break above 28,000 first, there might be a retest around this 26,700 range. It did happen. You can see we got rejected exactly at this monthly R1 line, got attracted towards this 26,700, 26,600 range before breaking it to the upside. And now we are also at this monthly R3 line. We don't have any higher target. So until the end of this month, even if the price starts showing another move like this, there is no need to worry. Why? Because price remaining above top CPI line, which sits around 26,700. If we simply close the monthly candle above this 26,700, that means the November month is going to be bullish as well. So this is another reason why the price for the coming days might be super bullish, even if we do see some shakeout on our way. And now, even if you look at this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, according to this indicator as well, we got a confirmation when the price of Bitcoin broke out from this 28,000 resistance line, and since then it is clearly turning bullish, and this indicator is also remaining bullish. So in the medium short term, if we do see another shakeout like this exact trend line, the rising trend line, which acted as a line of resistance, will be looked as a line of support, and along with this rising trend line or the upper trend line from this megaphone pattern broadening wedge, this CryptoAnup buy sell indicator will also be acting as a support. So above 28,000, we are building some very, very strong line of support for Bitcoin. And parallelly, this bearish scenario, I mean, this diamond top pattern is getting invalidated, which is a very, very good sign. And even this head and shoulder pattern, yes guys, this two bearish scenario right now is getting invalidated. So let's hope that we are also going to penetrate through this trend line and start with a new higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern. After that, I mean, price breaking out of this previous high and then slowly starting with this new higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern, which could bring us easily around 35 to 40,000 range. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. And guys, before I conclude this video, let me also inform you that Bybit has just started this new campaign where you have zero losses, only gains. What does this mean? Bybit has started a new limited time campaign which is already running, and it's going to end on 31st of October. What you have to do: copy trade for first time using either smart copy mode or advanced copy mode. If you experience a loss on your first order, you will receive a copy trading voucher that compensates your first order loss up to maximum of 100 USDT. So how to participate? By simply clicking on this link which is provided in the description down below. What you have to do, you have to follow your first master trader and deposit 100 USDT. So let's suppose, right, while trading you lose your 100 USDT. In that case, this 100 USDT will be refunded. So this is definitely a win-win situation. So try grabbing this opportunity. So guys, these were all what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And if you want to support me even further, you know, a comment is always appreciated. So by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye-bye.